when when I was talking about the selectively permeable membrane. Osmosis is the diffusion of water molecules between a, um, a selectively permeable membrane. And I forgot to mention what diffusion was. Diffusion is the process by which molecules tend to move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. So that's talking about the equilibrium. Okay. So let's say this was filled with water. Let's say 4 blocks. Okay. And there was no water outside. So it would take the water, 2 blocks of water. I'm just saying blocks because I'm just pretend that. Okay. So so just pretend those are water. Okay. Okay. It's 4 waters. So osmosis would take 2 of the waters and take it through the selectively permeable membrane, open it up, and put the 2 water molecules outside, so it is in an equilibrium. Okay, that is the way it achieves homeostasis, is through complete equilibrium. I'm not saying like it takes, so it has two complexes and it takes them and puts one of them outside. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like molecules, like say, let's pretend that, how about this is waste, okay? So, let's say one waste. So the Golgi complex takes the waste, breaks it down, and puts it outside of the cell. To fill it, um, let's say food. Okay, we'll take that. That'll represent food. Another food molecule will come in. That'll go to the lysosome and the mitochondria, and it will be turned into waste. Okay, so that's waste. Then it has to take the waste. Whoa. Has to take the waste outside. Okay, and it's just a never-ending cycle, basically. So, yeah. And when a cell achieves homeostasis, it will start to divide and reproduce in a process that is called mitosis. Mitosis is the stage during which the cell's nucleus divides into two new nuclei. So there are several stages of mitosis. The first one is this would be considered a daughter cell right now, and next up is the chromatin, or the chromosomes are actually, the DNA is wrapped really tightly and makes chromosomes. The chromosomes look like an X, so let's use this. The chromosomes look somewhat like this. And oops, that's not what I want. Sorry, my computer's kind of slow. No, whoa, wait, that's not what I want. Okay, so chromosomes basically look like this. In the next step of mitosis, it is attached by something that apparently disappeared. They are called centrosomes, I believe, that is this middle block right here. That would be the centrosome, and that just kind of links it. That is the centrosome, and I can't remember what it's called, but it goes to two sides of the cell. So one would be right there, and the other. Whoa, this is glitching out. The other would be over here. And then what it would do is it would have like I want to say 6 chromosomes. A human has 21 chromosomes in each cell, so it would have 21 chromosomes. So then it would so pretend there's 21 of these. Then thread would come out of the two diamond blocks and attach to the centrosome, or the centrosome of this, and split it apart. So this side would go to this side. This side of the chromosome would go to the left side. The right side of the chromosome would go to the right side of the cell. And then the cell actually starts splitting apart, and the cytoplasm basically just splits apart into two new cells. And by this time, the nucleus had dissolved. So when the two new cells are detached, the chromosomes are put back into the middle, and the nucleus is formed again, and the DNA and the chromosomes unravel to form DNA again. So that's the basics of cell reproduction. So I believe that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thumbs up if I did a good job describing. If not, just leave me a comment and tell me how I could do better, because I want to increase my grade as much as possible. So, thank you, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. Bye.